Hello, I've got this $20 note. It's from Australia and it's actually quite dirty, so today I'm going to clean the note, and because we've got plastic money in Australia, then I can clean that in water. So that's what a clean $20 note looks like, and this one's been rolling around in the dirt a bit, so it's quite dirty. So if you think that I've swapped $20 notes, if you just want to pause there and read the serial number, that'll be the same serial number that you'll see on the clean note. So what I've got here is I've got a tub of water, soapy sort of water. So I'll pop in my $20 note and leave that to soak for a while, and I've got a little toothbrush. And with that little toothbrush there, I'm just going to clean up the note. Actually, it's coming off, the dirt's coming off a lot quicker than I thought it was going to actually. So I spin it over, and give it a sort of a scrubbing all over. Yep, oh well, there we go, the dirt's coming right away. And I think that's going to be good enough, so I'll pull the $20 note out. There's probably a few little pieces there to still to clean off, but that's actually surprisingly clean now. Thought that was going to take a bit more soaking, but there we go. Give that a wipe off with a cloth, and that now is quite a clean $20 note, and you can see that the serial number is still the same, so I haven't switched a note over. But there with the plastic note, you can dump it in water, you can give it a bit of a clean, and it come up just like new with a little bit of cleaning. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.